Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christina and I'm a makeup artist, lash tech, and hairstylist. Today I'm going to be filming this video for you guys. I absolutely love the way this makeup look came out. I was inspired by summer. I figured I should film this before the summer's over because it's literally already August. Where did the summer go? This look just screams summer to me. It's glowy, it's fresh, it's glam, but it's not too glam. Like when I was thinking of what look I wanted to do, I was thinking of sitting on the beach all day. You got that sun-kissed glow going on. You might have a little headache from the sun, but you're gonna go home, shower, and go out with your friends, and you want to put makeup on, but you don't want it to be overdone. Like, even though I look like I have makeup on, it's very light on the skin. It's super dewy and glowy, and it's just like really pretty, and I just feel like it's like the perfect summer look. So yeah, basically, if you guys want to learn how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Starting off, I am clipping my hair back out of my face. This is a must for me when I'm doing my makeup. These are the dry bar clips. I got mine at Ulta. Then I'm using my Laneige Cream Skin Mist. This stuff is bomb. And then I'm going to go in with my Hourglass concealer on my lids for an eyeshadow base. I usually don't use concealer, but I really do like this concealer. It's very hydrating and full coverage. Then I'm going to use my Laneige lip mask in the scent Mango. This is their new scent, and it smells like a Dunkin' Refresher. If you know, you know, and you need it. Then I'm using the Kylie cosmetic powder in the shade Beige to just set my lids. And then I'm using my Patrick Ta eyeshadow palette. This is the absolute best palette by Patrick Ta. I'm obsessed. It's great neutrals. I don't know why it was coming off on the screen really orange, but it's definitely more neutral in person. And I'm just using the two lighter shades and just blending until my hand falls off. And you'll see I go back and forth. Now I'm adding some darker shades, but they weren't blending out as good as they usually do for some reason. So I will go back with the brush from the lighter shades and just go back and forth until that shadow is all blended out. You can do this as much as you want until you get like that perfect even eyeshadow look. You don't want any harsh lines or any unblended shadow. And then I'm taking the lighter shade in the palette. If you know, you know. This is the shade. Like, this shade never fails. It's beautiful. It's matte, but it has a little shimmer in it. It's perfect. Then I'm just going to clean up under my eyes with a Neutrogena wipe to get all that excess shadow off. And then I'm using my Kylie Skin eye cream. This eye cream is really great. It's moisturizing, it's thick, and it just makes your eyes feel so refreshed and like supple. And now you just want to use light pressure so that you're not pulling any skin down. Then I'm going to use my Naked Lashes by Ardell. These are in the number 421. The trick with putting lashes on yourself is making sure that the glue is tacky. You don't want them sliding around in your eye. And then I just pop them on. And I will fix and press them together and everything like that and just make sure they're good. Then I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown face base as my moisturizer and primer. This stuff is good if you just want one product. It like just does its job. Then I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter on the high points of my cheeks. This is in the shade 2. And I am so upset because I ordered the e.l.f. one and they sent it to my old address. So now I have to get in touch with them and get it sent here. But a review will be coming soon. Then I'm using my It Cosmetics CC Cream in the shades Medium and Fair. I mixed the two shades. It's the perfect shade for me. This foundation is great. It has SPF 50. It has serums in it and all this skincare mumbo jumbo. I don't know. It makes my skin look bomb. It's full coverage. I use this on so many clients and it lasts. It looks nice. I just feel like it's underrated. I love it. I'm just blending it out with this Miss AOA Paw Paw sponge. I'm sure you guys have heard of them. They're so popular now. Then I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Swan. This was actually the first time I used it on myself. I just recently bought these for my kit. I love them. They're creamy, but they're not too creamy. Like, they blend out pretty dry, if that makes sense. They set themselves, I feel like. They don't crease. The shade range is beautiful. And they just look really good on the skin. And I've seen people using them to contour as well, which I haven't tried yet. Maybe I will. But as you can see, my under eye looks flawless. Flawless. Then, of course, Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand. Guys, if you're going to get one thing from this video, it would be this product. I cannot live without this product. I don't know. Nothing can compare to it. I don't know how I lived without it. So dramatic. But yeah, I love this stuff. You need it. It makes cream contouring so easy. And as you can see, it blends out like a dream. And basically, it's a little warmer on me right now, I guess, because I'm not as tan. But it is more on the cool side. But like I said, everything is coming up really warm in this video for some reason. I guess it's just my camera and my lighting. Then I'm using my cream blush by Patrick Ta in the shade She's That Girl. Beautiful. You can use this on any skin tone. It looks stunning. I mean, look at that. Also blends like a dream. I love cream blush because it just looks so feminine and natural, and it's super easy to just pop on. Then I'm going to go back under my eye and just make sure everything is good, but no creases, so that's great for that concealer. I'm happy. Skin looks good. Then I'm using my Jaclyn Hill under eye powder in all of the shades, basically, and I think this is the one that has banana in it. It's like the light or medium light, something like that. And I'm just setting that under eye. This powder just makes you look so flawless. I'm going to set wherever I put concealer, and then I'm also going to put this underneath where I contour just to kind of clean that up a bit so that everything looks seamless and smooth. Then I'm using my Physicians Formula bronzer. Like I said, this is a summer look. We want to bronze up. This is the perfect summer bronzer. It has a little bit of sheen to it, but not too much. And it's the perfect shade. And I'm going to be using a good amount of bronzer in this video, to be honest with you guys. I use the cream one. I'm using this powder one. I'm going to use another powder one soon, like you'll see. And then I'm using that Patrick Ta blush again. And I'm using the powder side this time. And I'm just applying that on top of the cream blush that I had already put on. Then I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Iced Highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter. I've been using it for almost a year now. And I have not switched to any other highlighter, which is not like me. But I'm basically putting it all on the high points of my face. And as you can see, it just gives that nice glow. Then I'm using the Benefit Brow Pencil. And I'm just filling in my brows really quick. I don't want to do anything too dark or too intense, but I'm just giving a little dimension to the brow. Then I'm using that darker brown shimmery shade. And I'm putting that under my eye just to make that shadow pop. And next I'm going to be using my Lash Princess by Essence mascara. This mascara is great if you haven't tried it. It's super cheap and it does its job. It is beautiful. I use this all the time on myself, on clients, everyone. Then I'm using my MAC Soft and Gentle Highlighter, Chef's Kiss. This is such a staple highlighter that I feel like I haven't used in forever. I'm making this weird face, which is what I was making fun of, but beautiful, beautiful. Then I'm using the Anastasia Brow Freeze, and I'm just putting my brows in place so that even if I sweat or anything, they stay in place all day. Then again, I'm using another bronzer. This is Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. This is a little more cool toned for the face, so it's more of like a contouring bronzer, I guess you could say. But it's so pretty. It just adds a little more dimension to the face, and it's exactly what I was looking for. Then I'm going to be lining my lips with MAC Whirl Lip Liner. This is my perfect nude shade. It's just, as you can tell, it matches my lips perfectly. It's the perfect summer shade, fall shade, winter shade, whatever. It's perfect. Then I'm using Charlotte Tilbury KKW lipstick. And on top, I'm going to put the Buxom Balm that I always use. It's a little more purpley, mauve-y toned. And then I'm using this gloss. You can use any gloss. I just love a good gloss. Love it. Then I'm going to be using my Patrick Ta Glow Spray Oil. I'm using the middle shade and I'm putting it on my chest. Then I'm using my Morphe setting spray, the luminous one, spraying my face and blow drying it. I'm drying it with my fan. And then I'm going to stay hydrated because that's what keeps your skin nice. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed. I absolutely am obsessed with how this look turned out. I cannot wait to take pictures of it because I just know it is that dewy, glowy look that we all love nowadays. I feel like everything was like matte before and now it's just like dewy and glowy, and that's just really feminine and pretty to me, and it just looks so natural and like gorge. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. That's where I post like when I'm uploading and like what I'm uploading, so you guys know what to look out for. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.